How to add animation in Figma. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add animations in Figma using the prototype feature, which is perfect for bringing your UI to life. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma app and open a file or create a new one. First, create two frames. To create a frame, simply click on F on your keyboard and simply select the frame. So this is my frame 1, and again click on F and create two frames. Now first one is for starting state and another one for ending state of your animation. Next step is to switch to prototype mode. Now click on prototype from the top right corner, then select the element you want to animate and drag the blue node to the second frame. Here you can see this prototype option. Now after that, in the right panel, choose how the transition happens, like Smart Animate, Instant or Move In/Move Out. If you are animating properties like size, color or position, use Smart Animate. Next step is to adjust animation settings. You can tweak the easing like ease in or bounce and set the duration. This controls how smooth or quick the animation looks. Now hit the play button in the top right corner to test your animation in action. And this is how you can animate in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.